What if I told you that changing just a few words could transform you from sounding rude to being remarkably persuasive? The difference between direct and polite communication isn't about being fake or overly formal. It's about using smart language techniques that get better results while maintaining relationships. Let's start with hedging. Instead of saying, "You're wrong," try, "I might be mistaken, but I think there could be another way to look at this." See the difference? You've softened the blow while still expressing disagreement. Hedging words like perhaps, possibly, it seems, and I believe create cushions around potentially harsh statements. Here's another example. Don't say, "This proposal is terrible." Instead, try, "This proposal has some interesting points, though I wonder if we might explore a few alternatives." You've acknowledged something positive before introducing your concerns. Now, let's talk about framing. This technique involves setting up your message in a way that makes it easier to receive. Instead of, "You need to fix this immediately," try, "I'm hoping we can find a solution that works for everyone. What are your thoughts on addressing this?" You've transformed a demand into a collaborative invitation. Consider workplace scenarios. Rather than, "Your report is late again," you could say, "I noticed the report timing has been challenging lately. Is there anything I can do to help you meet the deadlines?" This approach shows concern rather than criticism and opens the door for problem solving. For disagreeing in meetings, avoid, "That won't work." Try, "That's an interesting approach. I'm curious about how we might handle the potential challenges with implementation." You're not dismissing the idea, but raising concerns constructively. When giving feedback, replace "You always interrupt people" with "I've noticed that sometimes conversations move quickly, and I want to make sure everyone gets a chance to share their thoughts." This focuses on the situation rather than attacking the person. The magic happens when you combine hedging with positive framing. "I might suggest we consider" sounds much better than "You should do this." It could be helpful if works better than "You must." Remember, being polite doesn't mean being weak. It means being strategic. You're more likely to get cooperation when people don't feel attacked or defensive. Your message becomes more persuasive because you're respecting the other person's dignity while still communicating your needs. Practice these techniques in low-stakes situations first. Try them with friends, family, or colleagues in casual conversations. Soon, this softer approach will feel natural, and you'll notice how much more positively people respond to your communication. The goal isn't to change what you're saying, but how you're saying it.